Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Miss Karina y soy la maestra de inglés de primero y segundo. Hey guys, hello. We will have some fun today. So please stand up, everybody. Let's start. Good morning, yay, yay, yay. Good morning, la, la, la. Teacher, good morning, my dear. Good morning, everyone, la, la, la. As every day, remember, we have to be very thankful. So today I will say something that I am thankful for. Today I'm thankful for my family. Today I'm thankful for a new day. And today I'm thankful to be here with you.
Tres.
What are you thankful for today? So let's start. Eyes, look at my teacher. Ears, listen to the teacher. Hands on my desk. Are you ready? Let's remember the last lesson, right? What is this? A
Abad.
badge. What is this? A ball. Excellent. And what can you play with this too? Baseball. Excellent. In the last lesson, we learned how Harold Chapman made history. Do you remember when? Yes, September 24, 2010. Woo, 10 years ago, right? So, also, we learned how does he threw the ball very, very fast. Do you remember how many kilometers? Yes, 169.1 kilometers per hour. That was too fast. Yes. What was the secret for this? Remember that we learned? Check. Angles. Excellent. Okay, go to your book on page 68 and 69 and tell me what can you see? What do you think just happened in this moment? Have you ever been to a sport game? Now, open your planner book on page 131 and draw a picture of what you most like of the baseball game. Okay, open your student book on page 70 and play the track 17. Then, 3 times, write the words in the lines. Then, practice the app Unit 6, the word flash and the word match. Then, make a memory game with the words on page 70 and invite someone of your family to play with you. Okay, now open your book on page number 71. And then you will have 2 sentences. I caught a ball. And the action is in past. Number 2. It flew 139 meters. Now the exercise says, match and write. The batter, what does the batter do? The batter, wait a minute. The batter hit what? Hit the ball fast, hit into my glove, or hit the ball? Hit the ball, excellent. Now please copy the sentences in the lines. Okay, now open your book on page 72 and 73. And also play track 18. And follow with your finger. Okay, continue with page 72 and 73. Take a color red and circle the next words. Cut. Hit. Through. Stadium. Glove. Player and crack. Open your app and go to Unit 6, the home run. Practice the quiz and unscramble. Okay, now open your student book on page 72 and 73 and read again. Then open the planner book on page 93 and write the next questions. Who sent the message? Which sports are they talking about? Okay, open your practice book on page 24. Number 1. Identify the vocabulary words you have here in the box. Then, write these words down in the lines in the correct picture. Finally, write the words in the puzzle. Okay, open your practice book on page 25 and match and write the next words. Example, she caught a loud crack, 139 meters, or a home run ball. Yes. Okay, when you finish to match, copy the sentence in the lines. Next, for this activity, use the words in the word box to complete the sentence. Please open your app. Open the app again and go to Unit 6. Practice summary and video. Then, when you finish, practice all of the activities. It was a pleasure to see you. See you later. Alligator. See you soon. Baboon. Give a hug. Ladybug. Excellent. I love you so much. Thank you.